So, are you a woman in this later stages of life like myself, and you haven't quite gotten to where you thought you would be at this point in time? Maybe that job didn't turn out, the relationship didn't, and you're sitting back wondering, what am I doing so wrong? I understand. My name's Glenda. I am a transformational coach, a life coach, a mentor. I wear so many hats in my life. And I found things that helped me to move forward. You see, I was that woman. At the age of 52, another relationship went by the dust. What did I do wrong? I gave too much. I loved too much. I don't know. I looked at myself. But I had to go through that because I had to explore about who I was. I had to do that work in myself that most of us don't want to do, or we think we're doing it, but hey, I had to tell you, you're not really quite there yet if you're still at that point. And for me, when I restarted, I came through and I figured out what I needed to do. I needed to figure me out first, and then I needed to find out, to step back and look at my history. And through that history, it's when I discovered some of the things that I love to do. One is definitely coaching, but secondly, is what I started to do is I got involved in real estate. No, I didn't want to become an investor, and definitely knew that I wanted to have something that was my own, money that was my own. So with a little bit of money, I stepped forward. I got myself a mentor, started finding lots of people in the industry and started making networking connections, learning to talk to people, see what I wanted and listen to what they already had. And that's how I started learning. Now I'm moving forward another step. But here's what I want to do. I want to start teaching you how you can start investing in real estate. Start learning the technology, the mindset, the numbers. You know, it's all about the numbers, but it's not. It's also about location and about what your ideal client or customer might want. So I want to know, does this at all interest you? Because for me, this is what's always that makes me bubble. And I want to start seeing some of you bubble too. Bubbling with joy, because that's what it's all about. I'll talk to you soon. Remember, follow me. I am on Facebook as I am Glenda Kroll, and on Instagram, I'm known as the Wise Woman's Word. I look forward to speaking with you soon.